Amplify. One day, the rich man took his son to the poor people living in small huts down the hills. ଦିନେ ସେମାନେ ଗଲେ ବାପାଟା ଭାବିଲା ମୁଁ ଯଦି ମୋ ପୁଅକୁ ନେଇକି ଗରିବ ଲୋକମାନେ କେମିତି ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖେଇବି ତାହେଲେ ହୁଏତ ସିଏ ସୁଧୁରି ଯିବ. He had in his mind to show his son how rich he was in contrast to the poor farmers. ସେ ଆସି ଭାବୁଥିଲା ଦେଖେଇବି କେତେ ଆମେ ଧନୀ ସେମାନେ କେତେ ଗରିବ. He thought this would work like medicine for his son's sadness. ତାକୁ ଲାଗୁଥିଲା ଏଇଟା ପୁରା ମେଡିସିନ ଭଳିଆ କାମ କରିବ. When his son would see these poor people living in small huts, ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଗରିବ କୁଡ଼ିଆରେ ରହୁଥିବେ, ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ କୁଡ଼ିଆରେ ରହୁଥିବେ ଗରିବ ଲୋକମାନେ, ତାକୁ ଦେଖିକିରି ହୁଏତ ପୁଅର ମନ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯିବ. His sadness would disappear. ତା ଦୁଃଖଟା ପଳେଇବ. He would realize how privileged he was. ସେ ଜାଣିବ ସେ କେତେ privileged, ସେ କେତେ ଭଲରେ ଅଛି. He was in contrast to those poor farmers. In a beautiful car, he took him all around. ଚାରିଆଡ଼େ ବୁଲେଇଲା କାର ବସେଇକିରି. He made him see the poor farmers living in wretched condition. ପିଲାମାନେ wretched condition ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଖରାପ ସ୍ଥିତିରେ. For the first time, his son who lived like a prisoner in a big house, ବନ୍ଦୀ ଭଳିଆ ପିଲାଟି ଥିଲା, got the chance to see the outside world. ଆଜି ସେ ପ୍ରଥମ ଥରକ ବାହାର ଦୁନିଆ ଦେଖିଲା. Throughout the tour, ପିଲାମାନେ tour, ଏଟା tour ନୁହଁ tour. Throughout the tour, his father was telling how these poor people were living in great difficulty. କେତେ କଷ୍ଟରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବାପା କହୁଥିଲେ. On his way back, ଫେରିଲା ବେଳେ very satisfied. ବାପା ପୁରା ମନ ଖୁସି. ପୁଅକୁ ଆଜି ବୁଲେଇକି ଦେଖେଇଲି. Very satisfied, he asked his son. ତାଙ୍କ ପୁଅକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ, Did you see how poor the farmers are? ଦେଖିଲୁ କେତେ ଗରିବ ସେମାନେ. What did you learn from this? ତୁ କ'ଣ ଶିଖିଲୁ? His son sadly replied, We have one dog. They have four. ଆମର ଗୋଟେ କୁକୁର ଅଛି. ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କେତେ କୁକୁର ଅଛନ୍ତି. We have one pool, but they have rivers. ଗୋଟେ ଆମର ସୁଇମିଂ ପୁଲ୍ ଅଛି. ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କେତେ ନଦୀ ଅଛି. ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ନଦୀ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ. We have artificial lamps. ଆମ ପାଖରେ artificial lamp ଅଛି. ସୁଇଚ୍ ମାରିଲେ ଜଳୁଛି. But they have the moons. They have the moon and stars. ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରମା ଆଉ ବହୁତ ସାରା ତାରା ସବୁ ଅଛି. We buy food. ଆମେ ଖାଦ୍ୟ କିଣୁଛେ. They grow there. ସେମାନେ ନିଜ ନିଜର ଚାଷ କରୁଛନ୍ତି. We have walls to protect us. ଆମ ପାଖରେ କାନ୍ଥ ଅଛି ଯେ ଆମ ରକ୍ଷା କରୁଛି. They are friends. ଆମେ ତ ଏକୁଟିଆ. ତାଙ୍କର ତ କେତେ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଅଛନ୍ତି. We have encyclopedias. ପିଲାମାନେ encyclopedia କ'ଣ? ତମର ଯେତେବେଳେ କେଉଁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ମାନେ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଜାଣିବାର ଅଛି ତମେ encyclopediaରେ ଖୋଜିଲେ ସବୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ମିଳିବ. They have Bible. ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଧର୍ମଗ୍ରନ୍ଥ ଅଛି ଯେଉଁଥିରେ ସେମାନେ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣୁଛନ୍ତି. Thank Dad. ପିଲାମାନେ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଭୁଲ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି. Thanks Dad for showing me how poor we are. ବାପା ତମକୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. ତମେ ଦେଖେଇଲ ଆମେ କେତେ ଗରିବ ବୋଲି ତମେ ଦେଖେଇଦେଲ. Really, I want to live with them there. ମୁଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସେଠି ରହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି. ଆମେ ତ ବହୁତ ଗରିବ, ସେମାନେ କେତେ ଧନୀ. କି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଛୁଆଟେ. ଠିକ୍ ବୁଝିଛି ସେ. Where did the rich man take his son one day? ଦିନେ କୋଉଠି ନେଲା? The rich man took his son to the poor people living in small huts down the hills. ଯୋଉଠି ଗରିବ ଲୋକମାନେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ପାହାଡ଼ ତଳେ ସେଠିକି ନେଇଗଲା. What did he have in his mind? କ'ଣ ଭାବିକି ନେଇଥିଲା? In his mind, he had thought to show his son how rich he was in contrast to the poor farmers. What does the word this stand for in the third line? How rich. The word this stands for how rich he was in contrast to the poor farmers. କେତେ ଧନୀ ସିଏ ଗରିବ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ତୁଳନାରେ. What did the rich man think of this? ଧନୀ ଲୋକଟି କ'ଣ ଭାବିଲା? The rich man thought that this would work like a medicine for his son's sadness. ପୁଅ ଯେଉଁ ଦୁଃଖୀ ସବୁବେଳେ ରହୁଛି ମେଡିସିନ ଭଳିଆ କାମ କରିବ. When would the son's sadness disappear? କେତେବେଳେ ଦୁଃଖଟା ପଳେଇବ? The son's sadness would disappear when he sees these poor people living in small huts. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଲା ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ତା ଦୁଃଖଟା ପଳେଇଲା. What would he realize? से कौन realize करिबो? He would realize that how privileged he was in contrast to those poor farmers. से गरीब farmer मानक तुलना से केते धनी तापर केते जिंस अछि से जानि परिबो. In which car did he take his son all around? को कार नेला? In a beautiful car he took his son all around. सुंदर कार नेला. What did he make his son see? He made him see the poor farmers living in wretched condition. से देखेला गरीब फार्मर माने केते कष्ट रे रहउचंदी. How did the son live in a big house? The son lived like a prisoner in the big house. गोटे बंदी भलिया रहउथला. What was his father telling him all the time? बापा सबले कोन कहउथले? All the time his father told him about how these poor people were living in great difficulty. बहुत कष्ट रे रहउचंदी. Was the father happy on his way back? Which word tells you so? बापा खुशी थे कि फेरला बेले कमी जान लो. Yes, the father was happy on his way back. The word satisfied tells us so. Satisfied माने मन शांति हे गला. The rich man's happiness got double to see the poor farmers. What about his son? He was happy or unhappy? His son was unhappy. Who does we stand for in the line we have? We stands for the rich man and the son. We माने धनी लोक अथा पुआ. Who are richer in having pools? The poor farmer or the rich man? How? The poor farmers are richer in having pools. The farmers had rivers as pools and the rich man had only one pool. धनी लोक तो गोटे मात्र स्विमिंग पूल थिला. गरीब लोकनकर नदी ही थिला. What look better? The artificial lamps or the stars? Why? The stars look better because it looks beautiful when we look at them at night. Who buys food? The rich man buys food. Who grow their own food? The poor farmers grow their own food. What does the rich man have to protect him and his family? The rich man had big walls, private soldiers and a big bulldog to protect him and his family. निज family को रक्षा करिया पे, निज को रक्षा करिया पे तांका पाखरे ए सब जिंस थिला. Who do the poor farmers have to protect them? Friends. The poor farmers have friends to protect them. सांग जार अछि ता कोन दरकार. Friends or walls? Which of these two can give someone real protection? Friends can give someone real protection. What was the feeling of the son? The son felt very good to see the farmers living in peace and harmony. Peace and harmony रहितार देखि के बहुत खुशी हला. What did he want to do? The son wanted to live with the farmers. Farmers manaka सहित रहिया पे चाहुतला. The father and the son look at things in different ways. In other words, their attitude to life is different. Whose attitude or way of looking at things is better? बापा और पुओ दुई जन कर ना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एटीट्यूड अलग अलग. कहार भल? द सन्स एटीट्यूड और वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट थिंग्स इज बेटर. पुअर दृष्टिकोण बहुत भल. एकदम सत कथा. विट्टिफाई.